Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert room on Tuesday, February 11th. Today we had three possible entries in the ES. We first got long on the ES, 8:36 Central Standard Time. The price was 1798.50. I said that that one should be good to 80.50 to 81.50, so that was 2 to 3 points there. And then we have to see. Once the market got up to 2/4, I said that it could pull back a little bit, which it did. Now, most people, if they were only a 1 or 2 lot trader, they were probably out with 2 to 3 points. If you're a larger contract trader, I said let's wait to see if it comes back up. If it gets back up to 2/4 again, which happened at 9:24 Central Standard Time, right here, I said that you can either do a new entry for those who got out, or if you're still in from below, you can do an add-on. If you did an add-on, you would basically go to entry, which is basically your average, which would have been around 950, 975. And if you did a new add-on, I said the thing should go about a point and a half. I said it did not have to go any more than a point and a half, and that this might be a little bit tight around here. So this would have been a winner, 2 to 3 points. This one probably would have made about a point and a half on if it was a new entry. If it was a add-on, then you could have still been in, but you would have had, only our larger contract traders would have been in that. So it would be still possible to still be in the trade at this point. Otherwise, I said either you're still in with an add-on, or you're still in from 850 if you didn't add on, or you got out with 2 to 3 points on the first trade, point and a half on the second trade, and we're waiting for the next opportunity. Next opportunity came at 10:30 Central Standard Time. The price was 1808.25. And some of us are still in this trade. The room is closed, but I told everybody how to manage this. 8/4, I said that it should get up to about 950 or so, 975. And that's exactly where it went. That would have been about another point and a half. And I said either, like I said, if you're a smaller lot trader and you want to just get out because the room was going to be closing, that would be fine. Some people are not comfortable staying in trades once the room closes, but I had my lines up here the whole time. I said that if they can get above this area here, this 10/4, I said that the next stop was going to be 14/4 and then 16. Okay, so basically what I told everybody to do is lock in profits, get yourself into a risk-free situation, go -3 ticks or -1 point from the entry. Nobody would have been stopped out down there, okay? And see if it can get above the 10/4. I said if they can get above the 10/4 for a couple candles, we would see 14/4, which is exactly where the market went right now. And the next stop will be 16 to 16/4 if they can get up there. So anywhere from a point and a half on the very minimal side up to about 6 points on the maximum side for those who were able to stay in. Like I said, everybody's not comfortable doing that when the room closes, but like I said, the management of it was very simple. So there are still people I know, at least when the room closed, said they were going to stay in. Don't know if they're still in, but I had my lines up here the whole time, and everybody knew they were waiting for it to get above this line. And once it did that, there's no reason to get out of the trade. Go to entry with your stop and wait for the next target, which was hit. So 3 possible entries. All of them would have been winners as individual trades. If they were taken as an add-ons, it would have been even more. So 3 trades, 3 winners. Great day. We're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys. Until then, happy trading.